right, sorry about that, guys. I accidentally hit the off button. That's what I get for trying to switch a grip on this. So we're back now with part 2 of the March 30th lecture. Again, I'm looking at I8. This is the just showing you 2 weather maps, just kind of like we saw on the computer here. But this is something, for you guys to practice with. All right, so you can look at the first one and figure out, the exact, what's going on. Like right now for Memphis is we're in the clear, in the warm. All right, and so my predictions for this would be that, oh yeah, we're going to be getting rain, both associated with this low pressure center itself, plus the cold front. So we probably have extended period of rain here, and possibly some thunderstorms coming through by the end, but then it's going to get colder and clear up. And if you look at the next day, that is pretty exactly what's happened. The front moves through, the low goes on its storm track and swings up to the northeast. We've got another low that has started right up in this area right over here, and that'll be the next weather system that'll come through in a, like 3-4 days, and it'll start all over again. But this is something, easy for you guys to look at and practice with. All right, and then your assignment, okay, what's going to be your quiz is actually another combined quiz. It's 18 and 19, I believe, if memory serves me correctly. This is I9. All right, I'm actually going to email you a copy of this with my notes that are written in here. But what you're going to do, and we've got the different cities that are listed on the map. And you're going to do both the current conditions for these areas, and then you're going to write down your weather prediction for 24 hours, be it temperature and what's going to happen to the pressure. Is it going to rise and fall? And what about precip? Is it likely or unlikely? All right. So the wind directions, I will let you, feel free to play with that if you want. I am not putting a whole lot of emphasis on the wind direction, especially without me being able to be there in person and help you guys out with that. It's a little more advanced that goes on. But the temperatures you can get, it's either going to be warm, cool, or cold. All right, and I don't care. Just make it cool or cold. I'm not going to differentiate between cool and cold. So just warm and cool or cold. All right. Then you're going to do the temperature forecast. Is it going to get warmer or is it going to get colder within 24 hours? Is the pressure going to be rising and falling? You're like, how do I know that? Well, you know the pattern that these are going to be moving. They're going to be kind of, this is going to be moving up this direction. This low is going to come down here and then kind of swing up this way. So make your predictions that way. And then what's the forecast within 24 hours? For, is precip going to be likely or unlikely for these different areas? All right, so if you will work this once you guys get it, and then the, like I said, the quizzes is just me taking some of these questions and you will fill in the blanks. All right, so as long as you do, work days and then do those quizzes. Again, it's 10 points, so it's 2 quizzes worth. All right, now your test, okay? This test 2 is over air pressure all the way through these air masses and the mid-latitude cyclones that are going on. And on Wednesday, I will email you your actual copy of the test, which you can print out. I want you to spend your time, use your notes, use your book, use your lab book. You can Google stuff to find the correct answers. All right. So hopefully a lot of them you check and see if you can maybe answer them without looking stuff up, because that's the ultimate goal. All right. But I'm going to have the test, which is of course online. It's the exact same test that I am emailing you. All right. It's going to have the same questions. They're in the exact same order. The answers are in the exact same order, and you'll just be clicking on those. Keep in mind, once you pull up the online test, you've only got 2 hours to fill it in. So, make sure that you've already got all your answers circled on your copy of the test. So, just read right through it, okay? And that will be up. You can do it from Wednesday all the way through the end of Friday, whenever you feel like doing it. But once you start the online test, you have to finish it within those 2 hours, all right? So keep that in mind, all right? If you've got any specific questions, shoot me an email, all right? So I know you guys are getting this now. You guys have got this. With your notes, with your study guide, don't forget the study guides that are already online on pause, all right? They're under the announcements type section. Your study guide for test 2 is already there, all right? So I think that's it. You guys have a good week. Shoot me emails if you've got any question. Stay home, stay apart, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you later. Bye.